Hi guys, welcome to Amy's Cooking. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today's recipe is a little different. It's a very quick and easy recipe to put together. We are cooking stir-fry egg noodles with oyster sauce, beef, and scallion. It's so simple. The list of ingredients is very small, and it does not take much time at all to put together, and yet it tastes absolutely wonderful. So I hope that you guys find this recipe something that you can use for your family. This is kind of my go-to every single time I don't know what to cook. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to boil the noodles. This is the kind that I use, chow mein or pan fried noodle. You can purchase this at the Asian grocery store. So it is fresh noodle, so it does not take very long to cook at all. You just need to bring your water to a boil, add a little bit of salt, and in goes the noodles. It only takes about maybe 2 to 3 minutes, but just make sure that you mix it around so that the water can get evenly distributed, and also just check the noodles to make sure that it is soft to your liking. So the way I do it is I just take a piece and then pinch it in between my fingers. If it breaks apart easily, I know that it's ready. At that point, just remove it from the stove, run it through cold water, set it aside, and let it dry while we prepare the meat. So for the meat, you can use any type that you like. You can use chicken, you can use shrimp. Here I'm using beef. You can even use tofu if you want something, if you don't want an actual meat source. So also you'll need some scallion. So you're gonna need a bundle. The more scallion you use for this dish, the better it's going to taste. Cut it into 4 so that way the sizing is just perfect and it's not too big or too small. So now for the bulk part of the scallion, they are pretty thicker. So just go ahead and slice them into 4 so that they can cook much easier when you stir fry them. So for the seasoning for this dish, you do not need much at all. You'll just need a little bit of sugar and as well as some Maggi seasoning sauce. The kind that I like to use is the one that's imported from Europe. It's just, to me, tastes a lot better than some of the others that I have tried. You'll need a little bit of dark soy sauce as well as oyster sauce. The oyster sauce is actually very crucial in this recipe. It gives it a very nice smell to the stir-fry noodles. We're gonna be frying this on medium-high heat. Wait until the oil is hot and then add in the scallion as well as the beef. Now we want to cook the beef until it's somewhat cooked before we add in the noodles, because it's going to take a little bit longer, and remember our noodles have already been boiled and is somewhat softened. So once the beef is cooked halfway, go ahead and add in the dark soy sauce. That's all you need for this part. I just like to change the color of the beef to a more golden color. It just looks a lot better that way. And then add in the noodles. So to the noodles, we are going to add in a little bit of soy sauce, the oyster sauce, as well as a little bit of sugar. And all of the ingredients and amounts are listed in the description box below. So just click on the little arrow next to the title of the video and that should expand the box. All right, at this point, we're gonna add in the scallion, and from there, it only takes maybe a minute or 2 until it's done. So for the scallion, I like it's a little bit crunchy, so it just really depends on you and what kind of texture you like, and then that's it. Pretty much this dish is done. It's very easy and simple to make, as I stated earlier in the video. So I hope that you guys will find this very convenient, and it's something that you can easily put together for your loved ones. All right, again, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and as always, I appreciate so much for your support for the channel. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. And until then, you guys enjoy and have a great day. Thank you.